POV. Your strict parents won't let you buy skincare, but you're determined to glow up this winter like your life depends on it. Let's get creative, bestie. The reality check. Listen, I know you've been watching those 12-step Korean skincare routines thinking, wow, I need that $60 serum. But baby girl, we're working with a $0 budget and parents who think water is enough skincare. So buckle up. Wake up routine. Step 1. Ice cube facial. Literally, just raid your freezer. Wrap an ice cube in a clean cloth and massage your face for 2 minutes. Your mom thinks you're just being weird? Perfect. You're actually reducing puffiness and tightening pores. Strict parent approved because it's literally frozen water. The stealth mission. Step 2. Rice water toner. Cook rice for dinner? Boom, save that starchy water. Let it cool. Pour it in an old bottle you found under the sink. Your parents think you're helping with dishes. You're actually collecting liquid gold for brightening your skin. They'll never suspect a thing. Step 3. Honey mask from the kitchen. Tell your mom you're making tea. Steal a tiny bit of honey. Mix it with a pinch of cinnamon if you're feeling fancy. Slap it on your face for 10 minutes. She walks in. You're doing a school science experiment. Works every time. Your skin will be glowing and you get education points. The secret weapon. Step 4. Vaseline slugging. You know that random Vaseline jar in your house that's been there since 2010? That's your new best friend. Thin layer on your face before bed. Wake up with skin softer. Your parents bought it anyway, so it's technically free for you. Hydration game. Step 5. Water. I know, groundbreaking. But hear me out. Your parents have been right this whole time, and we hate to admit it. Drink water like your crush just posted on Instagram. Your skin will thank you. Plus, your parents will be so proud. You're literally doing what they said. Strategic win. The sneak. Step 6. Exercise in your room. Tell them you're studying. Do 20 jumping jacks, some stretches. Blood circulation equals natural glow. They think you're being a good student. You're actually getting that post-workout flush. We're playing 4D chess here, people. Sleep hack. Step 7. Sleep on a silk pillowcase. Don't have one? Wrap your old scarf or that smooth shirt you never wear around your pillow. Prevents wrinkles and hair breakage. Your mom sees it? I'm protecting my pillow, Mom. She'll literally praise you for being responsible. Sun protection. Step 8. Avoid the sun strategically. You're a student, so this is easy. Stay inside studying. Wear your hoodie everywhere. Your parents love that you're being studious. You're actually preventing premature aging. We're literally gaming the system. Green tea bags. Step 9. Used green tea bags for under eyes. Mom drinking tea? Ask for the bag. Let it cool. Press under your eyes for 10 minutes. Reduces dark circles from staying up doing TikTok. I mean, homework. She'll think you're into sustainability. You're into not looking like a raccoon. Face massage. Step 10. Face massage with your fingers. Literally free. YouTube a face massage tutorial. Do it while relaxing after studying. Improves circulation, lifts your face, costs $0. Your parents walk in? You're relieving study stress. They might even join you. The secret exfoliant. Step 11. Sugar scrub. Baking cookies with mom? Accidentally drop some sugar in a bowl with olive oil. Boom. Exfoliant. Gentle circles on your face once a week. She thinks you're clumsy. You're collecting skincare ingredients. We're literally Ocean's 11, but for glowing skin. Hair care. Step 12. Cold water hair rinse. End your shower with cold water on your hair. Your parents think you're being environmentally conscious and saving hot water. You're actually sealing your hair cuticles for maximum shine. They'll literally congratulate you for this. Lips. Step 13. Toothbrush Lip Scrub. Use your toothbrush gently on your lips with a tiny bit of honey. Free lip exfoliation. Soft lips for winter. Your parents paid for the toothbrush already. We're just maximizing its potential. The glow-up montage. 2 weeks later, skin glowing, Hair shining, confidence booming. Your strict parents asking what you're doing differently. You. Just following your advice, Mom. Water and sleep. Them. Proud parent tears. You, secretly a skincare genius. And that's how you glow up on a $0 budget with strict parents who monitor your Amazon orders. You're welcome, bestie. Now go forth and glow. Drop a comment if you tried any of these. Like and subscribe for more amazing content.